What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how much I've made in my Bobcat helium miner HNT, and I've been mining for about 30 days now, just 1 month. Okay, and I wanted to update you guys, see what my progress is. So today in this recording it is April 9th 2022. So let's go ahead, log into my app. Okay, there we go, helium app. This is all live right now, guys. Okay, so right there, I haven't even logged into this right now, so we're both gonna see it. We're all gonna see it at the same time. So 100% afternoon. So let's go ahead and click in the bottom corner right here, see how much we're making. So in total, guys, right here in this corner right here, top left corner, $43.06. That's how much I've made in 30 days for mining with Bobcat. Okay, so as you guys can see, everything is loading up right now. Let's go to mining rewards. Last time I mined anything was for 0.98 cents. That was 7 hours ago, and then 9 hours ago was $1.27. Let's go. Let's see how far we can go back. We can go back here: 21 days, 22 days, 24 days, 25 days, 27 days, 28 days, 29 days. All right, guys. So actually, it's 29 days. Today is the 30th day. Okay, so don't freak out. I'm not lying to you guys. I've been mining for 30 days. So tonight, by the end of tonight, it will be a complete 30 days. Right, so give it about 4 more hours. Okay, by the end of today, it will be 30 days. So it says right here in the bottom, it says 29 days, and today is April 9th. That would be my 30th day. So I've been mining today for about 9 hours now, and we still got a few hours to go to this day, because as you can see right here in the top corner, it is 2:08. So at about midnight, that would mark 30 days. So like I said before, I've been mining for about 30 days now, and so far I've only got $43.06. And I know it's not much, and at this rate I think it'll take about a year for me to get my money back for this Bobcat, to be honest. All right, so let's see what else we can find here. This is my hexagon. Let's go home. Let's see how many miners are in my hexagon. So right now in my hexagon there are three miners on there. And sorry guys, my internet's kind of slow, it's kind of lagging here. Alright, so yeah, geez, take a look for this one. This guy has 10 miners. So for those of you wondering, I live here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I live on the south side of it, on the south side of town, and there's a lot of miners, guys. There's a lot of miners. So 3 right here. Well, it's not gonna load, guys. It's gonna take forever, right? But there you have it. Oh, there we go. So I just updated it. Like I said, my internet's really slow. So for 30 days, I have mined $45.74 total in value. Okay, so it wasn't 43; it was $45.74. So I would go ahead and wrap this up at about $46 until the end of the day. $46 for 1 month for 30 days, which is not too bad. I really wanted to get to $50. That would have been awesome, just to round it up, and it'll be easier to calculate, because with $50 a month, that would take about let's say 8 months, about 8 months, 8 to 10 months to get my money back. But at this rate, I feel like it's gonna take me a year. And just to let you guys know, this is just with a stock antenna, which is a 4 dBi that comes with the Bobcat 300, and I'm thinking about upgrading it to an 8 dBi soon enough. And I found you can buy an 8 dBi at Walmart for about $50 to $60, which is not too bad. You can make that money back in 3 to 4 weeks. Well, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll keep on updating you guys, and also when I buy a new antenna, I'll make a video also, just to let you guys know how I'm doing. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.